Boom, boom, bang, bing. It's your boy Jamaican Jay, and today we're gonna be checking out Prominence Poker. Yeah, man, just in case you never know, I'm a big poker fanatic, man. I love poker. I was supposed to stream this like 2 days ago or something like that, man, but I didn't stream it because I wasn't sure if people like poker as I do. So I said, you know what, let me do a video and see if people do like poker as much as I do. Yeah. But I'm a big poker guy, man. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. If you're a first time viewer, do remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share the video. It is much appreciated on this channel. And do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J _ X. Also on Twitter _X _ Jamaican J4. Yeah, so this is my favorite poker game, man. Prominence Poker. I tried a lot of these poker games and this one is my favorite. And I'm about to explain to you why. Word up. Alright. So let me show you why this poker game is so special. Alright? Why I think it is so special. Okay? Alright. First of all, you got a shop and stash. And here you could buy table items. These table items, as you could see, cigarette, all these stuff, you could buy these stuff. And what these table items do, they give you a boost. And you're saying, what the fuck is a boost? Okay. I will explain what the boost is. Alright. You could also get outfits. You could buy outfits or unlock outfits. Some of these outfits give you a boost also. And you're saying to yourself, what the fuck is a boost? Okay, I'll get to that soon. So you could buy all these outfits. You know what, let me put on this one. Nah. So today is affiliation day. And affiliation day, you wear something. You could wear clothing from your affiliation. And you're saying, what the fuck is an affiliation? Okay, so let us go to persona. So when you start playing this game, you gotta join an affiliation. You could join the clubs, the spades, the diamonds. And as you rank up your level, and then you also rank up in your affiliation. And when you rank up in your affiliation, you unlock like special items that is only only in whoever in hearts could get it. So it's these awards are dedicated only to the affiliation you join. All right, that explains it. So I'm with heart. So the more you unlock like items that's specifically made for heart affiliation. Okay, let's see what else I should explain. Okay, so that's your affiliation. So you got to join an affiliation. You could also make your avatar here. This is where you make your avatar, the head, the nose, the mouth. You know what I'm saying? You get the color of the skin, gender, all that stuff, the nickname. All right. So with that said, affiliation Wednesday now. So when you wear, so see the hearts on this thing. So it is, I got this shirt from unlocking a level in the in my heart affiliation. I unlocked this shirt. So when I play in this shirt, I think I get 10 or 15% boost. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna wear this shirt. Let me find a hat, man. Let me find a hat. No, not there. Shop and stash. I'm gonna explain what the boost is when I get into the game. All right. So you see, your boy got some money right here, man. But your boy ain't broke. You know, your boy doing his thing. I want to change my hat. Maybe put on something different. Yeah, something more sporty. Yeah, I'll wear that hat. Look kind of stupid, but I'll wear it. So yeah, you could get tattoos. See, I got tattoos on the right arm. You could get these tattoos you could unlock or you could buy. See, they got different tattoos. You could see my guy got a tattoo. These watches and ring you could also get. Accessories. Good earrings. You know what I'm saying? Left ear. You know what I'm saying? You could get all these earrings. You could unlock earrings too with your affiliation. All right. Wristwear. These are, see, watches. All these stuff you could get for your avatar. Okay. Now that we explained that, when I get into the game, I'll explain the boost, what the boost is. So if you look here, you see that cigar. That means the smoking item, whatever smoking table item you have, that will give you a 20% boost. So now I should go and apply that table item. So when I get into the game, I'll have that boost. So let's use this Black and Mild. Equip. Yeah, so I got 9. So you see, say remaining 9 hands. So I could play 9 hands before it expires, and then I gotta rebuy for $500. Okay. Every time that expires, after 10 hands, then I have to rebuy at the store. Okay, let's get into the game, man. Let's see if we could find something. Let's start off with $1,000. Start off small while I explain more. Okay, let's sit at this table. Oh, you got the same hat on? Okay, so now I'm at the table. This is a this looks like a biker bar. Yep. See, this is a biker bar. So I can't join this game because it's already in session. So I gotta wait till this game is over, then I'll be able to join. Oh, this is a nice bar, man. So you see they got the bikes outside, so it's a motorcycle. It's a motorcycle bar. Happy hour, whiskey shots, Long Island. They got a motorcycle right there. Okay, so this is your rep. So this is where you're gonna boost. So when I was talking about the table boost, so this cigarette, if you notice, these guys, they got their table items. If you notice, this guy got a gamepad right here. This guy has a gun on the table. This guy has a chain. This guy has a drink. So all these are table boost, table items. They boost, so they boost your rep. So they give you a 20% boost. So you see my rep is at 40. If I should take away this boost, it will only be 20%. And when this rep is full, then you unlock stuff. You could unlock clothes. You could unlock these, maybe the gun. You could the chain. Maybe you could unlock $120,000. Maybe you could unlock. There's so much things you can unlock. Yeah, you want straight. Yeah, so there's so much things you could unlock. So this meter is gonna full all the way up when you keep winning, or if you keep winning, or so on. The more you win, the faster this meter fills up. And then you get a loot case. Yeah, whenever this meter full up, you get a loot case. And then when you open a loot case, you could get money or clothes or these items, the ring, the watch. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so now that's explained. Get that out of the way. Let me see what else I'm leaving out in this game. You could taunt. You could clap. See my guy clapping? You could clap. You could taunt. You could celebrate. You got all these different emojis that you could do. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only need eight. I only need a 6 or an ace. Okay, to get it straight. Let me see what else I'm leaving out. Okay, bro, I'll call 100. Yes. Oh man, what the fuck you got, bro? Damn. He's betting everything. Okay, so if you want to see which, hold up. Everybody betting everything, might as well, man. Okay, guys, I'm gonna explain more as I go along. Let me see what this guy's doing first. Okay, so I got 2, 3, 4, 5, right? I only need like an ace or a 6. All right, I'll bet. I'm gonna go all in. Fuck it. There it goes. Let's get this off the screen. Damn, he put. What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck they got, man? Somebody must got full house or something. All right. I'm going all in, motherfucker. Oh, he's going for the straight too. He's going for the straight too. He's waiting for 2. Oh, I got the straight. I got the straight already, baby. 4. I win that 4,900, baby. Right off the bat. See that your boy got skills? Yeah, your boy got skills, yeah. Jamaican Jay ain't no joke. Yeah, so let me explain more. After winning that game. So these are the players. If you see, we got, let's introduce the players. We got, Malanda 13. Who is this over here? We got Shrugs. That's me right there. We got Asiper, Pokey, Draco, Pokey, Dracolad, Predator. Yeah. So that's how you see their names. And then I'm going to show you how you see your hands to know if you don't know which hand is the bigger hand or the lower hand, or if you don't have a clue what the fuck you're doing. And these guys are gambling tonight. Okay, I'll dump. So this is where you see your hands right here. Royal flush, you know. So you could remember which hand is bigger than, because sometimes I forget which hand is bigger than which hand sometimes. So you would come here. Straight flush, 4 of a kind, all that stuff. If you want to see it, you could just pause the video and you could see all of that. Yeah, man, the animation is nice, man. You know what I'm saying? In this game. That's. Oh, you got full house. Shrugs win. Flawless victory. It's kind of dark here in this room, but I don't know, maybe this view is nice. So if you notice, from time to time, he'll smoke his cigarette. From time to time, this guy will pick up his gun and look at it. From time to time, this guy will have a drink. So the table items are very animated, you know what I'm saying? So I love this game, man. All right, let's see what's going on here. J9. All right, I'll call you, bro. I call you. Let me put the camera like this, maybe like this. Leave it like that. Or maybe like this. Yeah, leave it like this. Hey, yo, if you're a poker lover like me, man, leave it in the comment section, man. Let me know in the comment section that you're a poker lover also. Alright. What do you call 100? Let me see what I got. Okay, you calling 100 because you already got the ace. Alright. I'll call it. Yep. Alright, one more 9, baby. Boss is fit. Oh man, one more ace come. That guy must be happy over there. Yo, it's also funny when they lose, yo. You should hear the noise they make when they lose. I mean the avatars. You could also jump in a chat if you want, but I don't jump in the chats. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna leave you here, bro. I know you got your ace over there. 3 of a kind sitting down. What's his name? Let's see what his name is. Malonda. Yeah. He got 3 of a kind. Maybe, oh, you got a full house now. Look at him. He's like, yeah, motherfucker, I got a full house. Yep, you got full house, man. I'm playing smart, man. Yeah, so the way I play poker, everybody got their own style of playing poker. The way I play poker, I break it down in two sections. Either I'm playing offense or I'm playing defense. Playing on the back leg or I'm playing on the front leg. And you're like, what the fuck are you talking about? Playing on the front leg. Alright, so when I'm playing on the front leg, I'm just betting. Like now I'm playing on the front leg. I'll bet everything. Like, so if somebody bet, I'll raise. Even when they check, I'll bet. That's when I'm playing on the front foot. When I'm playing on the back leg, that means I'm checking. I'm not betting. I'm just checking I'm checking, see what the table has. I'll be checking like this. Ah, man, what the fuck this guy got? So that's how I break it down. I break down poker in offense and defense. You know, everybody got their style. That's how I break it down. And things, oh, I need one more spade, man, for the flush. Come on now. Sometimes you gotta stab your neck for a card, man. You gotta stab yourself in the neck for a card. Like right now, it's like I'm gonna be shooting myself in the head. It's like a suicide goal right now. Fuck it, man. Let me go. Draw that 1,000, bro. Come on, one more spade, baby. Spade! Oh, man, I got fucked. I'm out of this race. Oh shit, I won $6,000. Yo, I see, that's what I'm saying. Sometimes you gotta willing to shoot yourself in the head for your card, man. That means you gotta willing to die for that last card. You know what I'm saying? I was willing to die. That means I was willing to bet everything. Because some people are just bluffing out, man. They just be bluffing. Jamaican Jay, you won't get me out so easy. You know what I'm saying? You can't get me out so easy, man. I'm a poker player, baby. Hey, big up all the people around the world, man. You know what I'm saying? Word up. Yeah, and all the people in India who is going through that coronavirus epidemic, man. My prayers to you, man. My prayers, yeah. People are people. It don't matter where they are, man. Don't matter the race, color, or creed, bro. I'm dumping, man. I'm not betting on this. 10-4.
Oh. Oh. Thank you.
Damn. So he got flush off the river. Wow. What a lucky guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I apologize to anybody who was waiting on that live stream, man. But when I checked it, I didn't see nobody, so I didn't live stream it. All right, let me check. Five. See, so this is what I call like playing on the back leg. Like, even if I had a five, I would have still checked. Let me look at my hand again. 7-10. Yeah, I'm out of this race. I'm out of this race. I'm gonna start celebrating when I win too. Man, you're losing, man. Queen and the 4. Let me start dancing. Let me do some of these dances. I think this game is also on Xbox, if I'm not mistaken, man. I think it's in your what's it called, the Microsoft Store or something. Xbox Store. Okay, let me check. If any of you guys play this game, man, make sure you hit up Jamaican Jay, man. Hit me up on add me as a friend or something. All right, let me see. I'm gonna check. So I got nothing. 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, 2 pair. So if you notice, my meter is going up slowly. It was right here. Now it's going up. That's my reputation meter. Okay, I got the pairs off the... I got the pairs right off the bat. Oh man, one more 7 would be nice. All right, man. I'm betting. I'm betting. I'm not backing down with this stuff. With this pair of 5. Hell no. 1.2. Damn. He got 3 7s. Shit. I'm gonna have to back down, man. 3 7s be 3 5s any day. Do the math. Oh, he got. Oh, he got a 5 too. But he got 3 7s right there. Man, you got the 5 I wanted, bro. That was a good dump. Jamaican Jay looks in his hand. He looks at the table and he wonders what the fuck they have in their hand. He looks at his 9-10 and he say, "This is a winner. I shall bet." I could feel the tense air as the breath of the cigar smoke flows through the air, as sweat brushes off his brow as they look at each other for the duel on the poker. Yo, let me stop, bro. Let me stop fucking around. Let me stop playing. All right, let me see right here. 3 queens. Wow. And nobody got a 6, huh? Nobody got a 6. All right, come on, 9. Let's go, 9. 9, 10, Jack, Queen. Damn. If I only had 8 there, I would have straight. If I had an 8 or a king. I'm dumping, man, so. Oh, you raised. Shrugs. Predator.
Ooh, okay. Hiya.
I don't know how to pronounce this guy's name. So I'm a level, let me see, I'm a level 50. I think I'm the highest level on the table. Trust me, you got people that are like level 100. So you see, I just got a notification that my table item has expired. So If you notice, I ain't got no boost at all. So I gotta buy my boost. Hold on, let me look at my hand first. So if you notice, there's not that 40% is not up there no more. So let me buy the boost. Refill. $500. Yep. Now you see the 40% go right up there. Make you your reputation go up quick. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. I don't know if I want to bet on this, but what the hell? Prominence Poker. So they got so much different sceneries too, man. So this is only one table. They got so much. You got the casino. You got different environments you could play in. That's what I like about this game. You got the slaughterhouse. All right, bro. I give up.
Oh?
Ace. It's a good thing I dump. $97. Let me see. Call that. I'm gonna get one of these cowboy hats. Yeah, what's up with this guy, man? Why you keep raising? What they do? They trying to take my money? You know what? Let me look at my hand again. It is so weak, though, man. Yeah, fuck y'all. Look at those AKs, man. These two guys got AKs. This guy got a pick. Man, please. These guys are firing AKs over here.
Oh.
Here comes. You got both of them got straights already. Both of them got straight. They share the pot. They're gonna share the pot.
Come on.
Shit, my little 97. Look, he lost all his money over here. What's his name? Malonda. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm probably butchering it. Oh yeah, and you could refill their boost if you want, if you're a kind person. But I'm not doing that. Oh, I got sevens off the bat. Oh, I got three of a kind already, baby. You know what? Let me play on the front foot, yo. You bet 35 cents. $35, I mean. I'm gonna check, see what the table has.
Yeah, hey, hey, hey.
All right, let me raise them now. 195. Three of a kind, baby. Thank you. Man. See you later, man. You ain't got $1 left. Yeah, everybody's leaving now. You know what? Let me go to one more table so you guys could see a different. Let's go to a different table real quick. So if we could find a different environment. No, that's the same environment. Same place. Same place. So when you see this happening, that means the other tables are like full. All right, I'm gonna try a $5,000 table. All right, let's see what's happening. So we're just gonna play a couple of hands over here, so you guys could see a different environment. You know what I'm saying? That's a dealer right there. All right, cool. Yeah, this is where the big boys are. $5,000 just to get in. So you've noticed these somebody just joined. These aquariums, and in the columns, they're like columns. That shit is cool. Supposed to be like a Japanese place. Got a nice view, yo.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you want 10,000? That's good. So let's see who's in this room. Oh, somebody just joined. So you got Channing Tate. What? Channing Tate Young. You got Pickleman 97. You got Cruz Baker. Also, these two guys are friends. So they be talking on the headsets together. So you can't trust these two guys right here. But sometimes it don't matter. They could talk all they want. When you get a good hand, you just get a good hand. Who is this? Channing. I think I played against Channing before. Oh, all these three guys are friends, man. I ain't calling nothing, man. Get out of here. All three of them are friends. TTV, TTV, TTV. Yo, man, y'all TTV motherfuckers are cheaters, man. Y'all be talking in headset. Like, yo, don't bet, dog. Yeah, don't bet. I got this, don't bet. Okay, man, somebody got straight. My boy is smoking that black and mild. Pulling on that black and mild over here. She got straight. She got 4. She got 5. All right, I'm gonna play one more hand before I get out of this casino. Okay. 5K. Man, I ain't got shit. I guess we're just going for high card. Who got the highest card? Hold up now. No straight. Yeah, I know you got your straight. You ain't gonna lead me on.
Yes.
I know you had a straight. No need to lead me on, girl. 37. I got sofas over here. What's that? Sushi bar over there? Is that a sushi bar? No, it's just a regular bar. They got the samurai over there. I'm dumping, man. That's like a full house already set up right here. Oh, he was going for the flush. $19.98. 98. Damn. Why you got a raise? don't look good for me in this one. If I was a betting man, I would say she got a jack. Oh, no, she don't. All right, man. I think this is where we're going to leave the video. We're not going to make this one too long. You know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all enjoy this little poker. This little poker game, man. It's really fun. Even this tattoo I got on my neck. Yeah, man. I unlocked this tattoo right here. And this glasses too. Yeah. Yeah, but if you enjoy this poker game, just let me know in the comment section, man. I love poker myself. I may do a couple more videos. And so on and so on. Do remember to like, subscribe. And do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you're a first time viewer. Share the video. It is much appreciated. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers, all my viewers. You know what I'm saying? You're all so appreciated, man. Word up. Jamaican Jay appreciate all of y'all. And big up to all my new subscribers also. Word. So thanks for watching. God bless. One.